First up, Middle East tensions. War drums are thumping, oil's doing the jitterbug, and traders are sweating like they forgot their deodorant. Will stocks tank or shrug? Nobody knows. Next, the Fed's rate decision. Will they cut, hold, or hike? It's like guessing Papa Powell's favorite tie. And that dot plot? It's less a forecast, more a Rorschach test. Oh, and Friday's quad witching day looms, options expire, markets convulse. It's Wall Street's haunted house. So buckle up, investors. Will it be a bull run or a bear hug? Place your bets, because today's market is a coin toss in a tornado.